Oh, why you brave?
Well, I thought you got eliminated.
And I'm gonna fight you. Nope.
Is this a new game?
No.
Nah, he fell off the truck with held on.
Ha, bro. All right.
Oh, whoa! I thought you was coming back.
Oh.
Nigga, disrespectful.
Yo, Miguel. The Yankees game you went to, my math teacher's at that game.
He was at that game?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm going on Friday.
He sat in the third, right behind third base.
Yeah, that's where we're sitting on Friday.
Damn.
On the second section.
Nah, he was right in the first. That shit looks nice.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my gosh, and he was knocked out, bro. Bitches.
Yo, see, let go of me, bro.
Get the fuck
Double
out.
knockout!
Wake up, motherfucker!
How did I get knocked out? No.
Oh, get off me, get off me. Snatch my hat off, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Some bullshit.
No, you fucking here. Where am I going to fight, bitch? Where am I going to fight?
Oh, this nigga hit me with a gut shot. Nope. Get your ass up.
What? Hold on.
No. My hat. Bitch.
Your hat, nigga.
Yeah, fuck
nigga.
you. Fuck
My
you.
hat better, nigga.
No, it's not. Fuck out of here.
Come here, motherfucker.
Fat,
Come here,
fake
motherfucker.
ass Louis hat.
Oh!
Fuck out of here.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! We got those things!
No.
Oh!
Okay.
How did that happen? I thought I won. I'm about to jump off and kill myself. Look at that.
Nah, do it, bro. You won.
No.
Nah, you won, bro. You won, bro.
No. That's crazy. That's what I get for trolling. Go out your way before you try to come grab me. Bro!
Fight him, beat him up!
Don't touch me, bitch. No! Get the fuck out of here, bro.
So that punch spot, it was
Oh yeah,
power
fuck
in
you,
the
ho.
leg. Bitch.
It was in the legs and the hips.
Yeah. All of the head to the legs.
This fucking game. Oh, look, I thought this nigga was AFK. I was gonna leave you alone, you asshole.
Oh!
Knock this nigga sombrero off.
Know who I am, Matthew? Know who I am, Matthew?
Yeah.
Know who I am, Matthew? Oh! Yeah,
You know who I am, the law.
Nigga, folks blast off. Shut up.
This one. I'm just a visitor, man.
Yo, Matt, you know who'd be fire if they pull up the Obi-Wan, bro? If you saw Ahsoka pull up.
Wow, you slut. Don't touch me, bitch. I'm just watching the octopus, nigga. I'm an old man.
Some old man.
I'm just watching. Look at this
Get off
shark
me,
right here.
Miguel.
Wow, there's your beauty.
Bitch.
Yo, it's always us two.
No, no.
You big ass hats!
Come here, bitch. Come here. Stop punching Miguel.
Yo, Ra, how did you even, what? Yo, how you even got over here, bro? Let go of me, bro. Let go.
Cause you knocked me out last time, right, bitch? You knocked me out, right? You gonna kick me in my fucking shin, you bitch? I told you I'm old, man.
Bro. I'm gonna feed you to the Kraken.
Oh! Yeah, take this nigga, bro. Take this nigga. Sombrero gotta go.
Oh my god.
Let go.
Bitch. What? Fuck off me, evil door, man. I'm a regular citizen, bro.
Let go. Let
Pay
go.
my taxes, man.
I pay my taxes.
Get off me.
Get off of me, please. Bro, please get off.
Oh, wow. Uh-huh.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Uh-huh. I told you, young folks. I told you, young folks. I was gonna fuck with an OG.
You told me what?
shit.
You told me what, bro?
Oh, shit.
Get in that fucking water
shit.
now.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay.
Nah.
They
get
jump
in
me?
that
They jump me?
fucking water. No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh,
Get
shit,
over
damn.
here.
Get up. Get up, OG. Get up, OG.
It's just me and you now. You know what that means?
Yeah, you got to drink all that water, man.
Nah, okay.
Why am I still asleep? Oh, yeah. Pussy. Ride this wave, nigga. Ride this wave, nigga.
Hey. I mean,
Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
I'm not tired.
Nah, it's cool.
I drank a lot of Red Bulls.
You had a long day. You had a long day. You had a long day.
No, I'm okay.
Headbutt.
The headbutt's bullshit.
Sleep him. Sleep him.
Bullshit. Wait, how did Miguel die? Did the crackhead take you, Miguel?
I don't even know.
I think it
Smoke
did.
Dylan,
It was
though.
me, you, and me, you, Miguel up. And that nigga just died out of nowhere.
Oh, shit.
No.
Bitch. Oh!
Nigga, come here.
Nigga, you crazy?
Come here. You know what's good.
Hands
You know
off
what's
me,
good.
nigga.
You know
You
what's
crazy,
up. You know
nigga?
what's up.
Kick the shit out you,
Come
bitch.
here, OG. Come here, OG. Come here, OG.
Fuck you,
Come here,
nigga.
OG.
Yes.
Come here, OG.
That, nigga.
Oh,
Put your
good.
hands on me, nigga. Young buck, nigga.
You know who I am, boy. You know who I am, boy. You
Yeah,
all
nigga. Don't fuck with a oh! Oh!
the old niggas up for fun, nigga.
Get this fucking hat
Come on,
off!
nigga. What you talking about, nigga? OG's up, nigga. OG's up, nigga.
OG's down. OG's down.
You talking about
You know
you
what's
young
good?
bucks, man.
You know
You young
what's-
bucks,
oh my
man.
god. You know we never die. You know we never die. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We back up. OG. Oh no!
Get down.
OG is dead.
Yeah. Oh, yo, Miguel, move, bro. Miguel, move, bro.
Yeah, fuck the young bucks, man.
Yo, we get away.
The evil jeweler!
Yo, get away from me, man.
Miguel.
Yo, get off of me. I didn't do it. I'm innocent. I'm
no, you're not,
innocent. I'm innocent.
You killed me, yup.
No,
Smoke that
Miguel.
nigga.
No. Get out of the
fucker.
fucking steps, Miguel.
Throw that nigga hat down there, too.
Stop running. Get out.
Wow. Wow.
You never distracted me. Jonathan, his girlfriend. Fuck the law. Oh no.
Bitch.
Oh, wait, I'm stuck.
Oh yeah, took that nigga, punched that nigga hat off.
Get out of here, Rob. Get out of here,
That's
Rob.
fucking nuts.
Get out of here.
Oh, nigga got slept standing.
Knocked out. He was standing up.
What? And he mushed him off the map. What the fuck?
I just got flung off the map.
Niggas had
I
two
literally
OP
just got flung
kills.
off the map.
Fuck out of here.
Nigga mushed you, bro. Nigga mushed you in the head, bro.
I literally just got flung off the map, but I feel.
Okay, he fucked that up crazy.
I'm gonna eat all your
Yo,
asses.
get over it. Oh,
happened?
that fucked it up. I was saying that
you
she has
fucked it
headphones.
up.
No, she has headphones in and can't hear me. I'm doing that to show you she's not listening.
What do you got
You
talking
hear what I
about?
said? I said the best thing about fucking somebody's
Jelly said
kid.
something about fucking kids.
And you said that's what I'm saying.
Right.
But he made a
not even
mistake. He
listening.
meant to say if he fucking a person and their
Bro,
kids.
no,
Like
I
he
didn't say
meant
that.
their
Miguel,
okay.
I'm talking to somebody with headphones on. I said that because she was not listening. She was shaking her head like she was listening. She wasn't listening. When I said that, she was shaking her head. Like, you gonna fuck somebody's kid.
She said-
Technically, you are fucking somebody's
Nah,
kid.
you gotta hear what Jalen said, bro. Jalen said he gonna fuck little boys, bro.
Nah.
That's
Yeah, he
not
didn't
what I
listen to
said,
that.
Kyle. Now
He did
you're
not listen
really
to that.
dragging
He
it.
did not
How am I dragging it, bro? That's what you said. I have you on camera, bro.
Defamation of character?
What Jelly said was, I hate skinny bitches because they look like little boys. Are y'all
And then-
fucking them? And I said yes.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's a gray area, bro.
It's a
Even
gray
Miguel said,
area,
huh?
right?
Even Miguel said, huh, bro?
No, he didn't.
So who's dragging it? You or him? Or me?
You.
Nah, bro. I think you lying, bro.
I'm gonna need to see. I'm gonna need to hear the evidence.
I mean, I can't clip it. Only Kyle could clip it.
That's something out of Jalen's character, man. For me,
You
honest.
not have a PS5? You can't clip it now?
Not on a
I'm
game.
not on a game.
Okay, so get on the game. I don't know what to tell you, bro.
It's not. All right. How much money you spent on this system, Kyle? And you know how this shit
$1
works.
It's a joke, bro. Relax.
No.
Nah, I don't
Get
think it
up,
was.
get up, get
Nah, it
up,
was,
get
bro.
up.
Just like that. You said it was a joke just now.
Alright, let me
about
go back.
your,
Let me go back to the
your
other
attraction.
Talk shit.
Never said anything was a joke, but alright.
Oh, so it's not a joke that you're attracted to those people.
Yo, Rob, I'm gonna tell you this once, and I'm only tell you this once, man.
What, ho?
You a great guy,
Thank you.
but a fucking bitch at the same time.
Oh yeah. Nope.
Oh!
RGB, red, green, blue, red.
Get the fuck out of here, bum,